Hi guys, it's me again, Thomas Renee, the head of voice and speech at the American Academy of Dramatic Arts. I'm continuing videos on consonants for the American accent, or a American accent, a particular accent that is often called General American, or an accent within the United States that doesn't really have any regionalisms, where you can't place someone in a particular state or city of the US. And this video specifically is a continued conversation on T, because I'll repeat from a different video, T is hard. It is very hard because there's so many different versions of how we pronounce T depending on where it is within the word and where it is within the sentence. So this particular T I want to look at is a T that exists in the middle of a word, but it's specifically after a consonant. So again, we have a word, a T is somewhere in the middle, but the T is existing after a consonant. And we'll look at a couple of examples there. So if you've watched the video of T at the beginning of the word, it's the same exact thing. I'll explain it again here in this video, but if you want to go back to that video too, that might be helpful for you if you're curious about these T's. Other than that, let's look at it one more time. So for those of us who those of us who work with the International Phonetic Alphabet, we are looking at an aspirated, voiceless, alveolar, plosive, or stop plosive. I'll say again that this is the exact same sound that we use at the beginning of a word if we have a T starting the word, and then this is a T after a consonant within the word. So if you don't know what an aspirated, voiceless, alveolar, stop plosive is, great, toss that aside and let's talk about it specifically. What we're going to do is we're going to take the tip and blade of the tongue. And if you need more information on the placements of the tongue or the areas of the tongue, check out my video, a chopstick exercise, to make sure that you understand and are sensitizing the different parts of the tongue. But we're going to take the tip and the blade, and we're going to lift it up to something called the alveolar ridge, or really the gum ridge behind the top teeth, or I like to call it the wrinkly bit. All right, tip and blade up to the alveolar ridge, or the wrinkly bit, that gum ridge right there. Now what's going to happen is we're going to press against the alveolar ridge, build up pressure of the air from the lungs. And then we're going to explode it out with lots of air coming out. One aspect that I really want to talk about, because many of us coming from different languages might not have that aspiration. That aspiration is that excessive air happening after the explosion. So as you're practicing this with me, I'll recommend placing a hand in front of your mouth and really looking for lots of air slapping against that hand. Many of us might be used to pronouncing this like a with not much aspiration, but this can be a big feature of what we consider to be an accent when you're coming over into English, and specifically American English. So one more time, let's get that pressure against the alveolar ridge, build the pressure, explode it, lots of air against the hand. And let's put this in a couple words. So you'll notice that in these words, we have a T within the word. But you'll also notice that a consonant is placed before that T. And so again, if you've watched the video around T at the beginning of the word, this consonant before the T is making it behave like it's in initial position, or it's making it behave like as if it is at the beginning of the word. Sorry for that confusion. So let's try these words out. We have alter, with a lot of aspiration there. Ter, alter. Onto, filter, shelter. And that's all I got. I hope this helps. It's probably not happening a lot, but when you see it happen, at least you'll know how to approach that. Yeah, so that's all I got for you. I hope that helps. I already said that. But I hope you guys have a good day and keep practicing. Bye.